Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. In this video I am going to tell that how you can enter date and time in different types or in different formats. So let's start the video and watch the video till end. So for that you need to open Microsoft Excel and over here you need to write any date like I am writing 11 October 2019. Okay, now you need to select the cell like it is selected. When you will write this and click on enter, the date will be shown as like this. So I selected the cell. Now I'm going to click on this home button, and in this I'm going to select this format. In the last I will get an option of format cells, and in this I'm going to select date like it is like general. We need to select date, and in date we can choose the date of our choice like if I want 14 March 2012. So I'm going to do it like this. Now click on enter or OK. Now wait for a minute. So you can see guys the format has been changed. Now the same thing we can do it with the time. So I'm going to delete this and write the time like 08 04 and over here 30. Okay, now I'm going to click on format cells, and in this so this much for today's video. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get all notifications about my upcoming video. um And guys, if you want this in Google Sheets, you can just comment me in the in the comment box. I will surely make a video about that also and post it. And thank you.